Hi guys, CarSpar 2.0 and welcome back to another unboxing video. And believe it or not, this is my 14th unboxing video for this time. And this is a pack I've been looking for a few months now. Finally found that one pack that I've been searching for. Uh, the Japanese 2-pack. With the Subaru BRZ pattern wide body and the Lexus RCF GT3. In fact, the RCF GT3 is the car I've been searching for. That's the reason why I wanted the finest pack is to get that car. And now we're going to unbox it. So, without further ado, time to get started. Unboxing this pack and get a close look at both of these cars. Here we go. Alright, now I gotta time to get the Subaru first. Alright, so here's my Subaru, you guys. Okay, the detail on the front and rear, they look very good. Now, I love the wing that comes with this one. Very nice. And yeah, here's the pedal wide body kit. The wheel looks very nice too. So yeah, that's sweet. Now let me put it over here. Get the next one up. And here it is. And you got my Lexus RCF GT3. And you see those details for the headlights. They look very nice, especially the and right in front. For the tail lights are very nice too. Take a look at that. With the turning stick. Even the reverse lights are also in there too. And believe it or not, I think I see the little RCF badge in there. Take a look at the features, big, and see that wing? It's huge too. It's a wide body kit too. Fenders too. Yeah, a lot of stuff onto this RCF. Hopefully, I will make the road going version, or maybe Matchbox will do that. Well, you guys, that's it for this one. See you in the next one, you guys.